What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be finally painting the E92 M3. In the last video, we actually got all the bodywork done on the M3, and now it's completely ready for paint. So yeah, it's been a long time coming. We've been doing bodywork on this car for like the past few weeks. I'm literally tired of bodywork already, but it is finally time to get this thing painted. We're not going to be getting it painted today. It's actually Friday today. We're going to be getting it painted tomorrow on Saturday. Obviously, my brother Armand is going to be painting the car at Diamond Auto Body. If you guys don't know, Diamond Auto Body is the best body shop in the Central Valley. So if you guys need anything, make sure you guys hit up Diamond Auto Body. But yeah, we're going to be getting the car painted over there at Diamond Auto Body. So I don't know if we're going to be dropping the car off tonight or tomorrow morning. But either way, in this video, the car is finally getting painted. As you guys can probably tell, it's still really dirty. We got to wipe off all that like sanding dust and everything on the car because it is just like all over the car. We got to blow it down with some compressed air first to get all the loose dust off, and then just give it a good wipe down. I'm waiting for Nautic, who actually owns the car, to come right now so he can help me with that, and then we're just gonna get it prepared so we can take it to the body shop in a little bit or tomorrow. We'll find that out later on tonight. But yeah, without further ado, let's get this entire car wiped down real quick. Hey guys, just want to take a quick minute of your time to shout out today's sponsor, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, then you definitely know what Simply Carbon Fiber is. But for those who don't, Simply Carbon Fiber offers a bunch of awesome accessories and items, such as the ones on your screen right now as we speak, like watches, sunglasses, cases, all kinds of cool stuff. A lot of their products are made out of carbon fiber. In all honesty, if you're a car guy, then you obviously gotta love carbon fiber. Let's check out some of the watches that they have to offer. Just check out those awesome watches, guys. They are having a huge 20% off Father's Day sale right now on their website, and that goes for anything on the website. So make sure you guys go take advantage of that. Cop yourself a cool new case or glasses or an awesome looking wallet, because I'm sure you guys got a boring old one as of now. So make sure you guys take advantage of that sale that's going on. Like I said, 20% off the entire site. I'll have the link down below in the description. So without further ado, thank you Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. What are you doing?
Ready? Let's go. Come on. I can't see the sun in my eyes. Oh, shit.
I think the dog wants some fun too. Hey yo, who the f dressed this man's though, bro? Yo, who the f dressed?
Don't worry about it. I dress whatever I can find.
With the Adidas, bro?
It's Adidas.
Adidas.
And
hold on, turn
Puma
around.
socks.
Turn around.
Oh, that was like
Get him! Hey, get him, not me, stupid! Alright guys, well, enough shenanigans. We got the car all wiped down, ready to go for tomorrow. Yeah, in a bit we're probably gonna end up loading the car onto the trailer, because we're gonna end up taking it tomorrow and not today, like I said before. So yeah, Greg's a bitch.
you.
Good morning guys, I am currently in my brother's Prius. Would have never thought I'd be driving a damn Prius, but I had no other car to drive, and today's paint day. I'm actually on my way to the shop right now so I could pick up the truck with the trailer on it. The M3 is actually already loaded onto the trailer because I did that last night. Nautic's probably gonna meet me at the shop, and then we're gonna pick up the truck and trailer and head to Diamond Auto Body, where we're gonna be painting the E92 M3. Just made it to the shop, guys. Got my Red Bull, got some camera batteries, and my tripod. Car is already on the trailer, strapped down and ready to go. Now I just gotta back this thing out of here, wait for Nautic, and then we can head to the body shop. Look at this dumbass Nautic barely pulling up, guys. I called this fool 5 times already.
I'm only 10 minutes late.
10 minutes, I'm gonna beat your ass for not picking up my phone calls.
Morning, sunshine.
Just made it to Diamond Auto Body, guys. We're gonna go ahead, unload the E92 real quick off the trailer and get it inside so we could prep it up. Alright guys, we got the car inside now. We're gonna go ahead and mask up most of the car right here and then pull it into the paint booth and get ready for some paint. So let's get this thing all masked up. And then we're back with the
another one.
Another one with the drip king. He's the drip king. Leave a big drip right here. I'm just Alright, so the car is all taped up and ready to go. It's all masked up. The next step is for the professional painter man over here to start shooting some. You want me to paint on him?
Go ahead.
I've been doing this for 25 years. But yeah guys, all he has to do now is just give it a quick little wipe down and then mix up paint and then shoot some paint on here.
It's nice.
You like? You approve?
Yeah.
Well guys, the car is all completely done. It's all painted up and ready to go. We actually unmasked a lot of the stuff already, but we're gonna go ahead and unmask the rest of like the masking tape and stuff like that. Yeah, it is hot in here. It's like 150 degrees in here because this booth is like heated and it just bakes the paint onto the car. So it's basically like dry to the touch kind of, but you don't really want to touch the paint obviously. But other than that, this thing came out so freaking clean and spotless. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but just check out this roof. Remember how it used to look before? But check that out. Came out so freaking good. We're gonna go ahead and open the doors right now and get all this stuff outside and unmasked. Huh?
That's what I use for having. Hot. I don't care what people talk about you. You're a good person.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like out in the sun. Looks freaking good. Let us know what you guys think of the paint job and the bodywork. I'm surprised. My bodywork came out pretty good.
Glistening.
Pretty damn good.
Look at that roof.
Especially this roof. This roof was in
It was yellow before.
such a bad shape. It was just completely yellow before, but now it looks like actual carbon fiber. Oh, this thing is still gonna need a polish, obviously, but not for a few weeks, so not worried about that right now. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna clean up over there real quick and then get the car loaded back onto the trailer. Well guys, we brought it back to the shop, got it settled in, and we got all the parts all laid out as well. So yeah, we're just gonna let this thing dry up for a few more days until we start putting it back together. But obviously that's gonna be in the next video. What do you have to say?
That's all, folks.
You little shit.
All I have to say is thank you, Armand. Thank you, Diamond. Thank you, Tot, and everyone who pitched in and helped. Came out very good.
He wants to say something.
I didn't help. He actually didn't.
I'm a little mashed up. But yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one, where we get this car all back together, and then the mods start after that. So
like, comment, subscribe.
we got like
my own brothers even
springs and shit like that, little shit here and there. Make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace.